Hi, I'm Carl, and you're watching Black Powder Firearm Enthusiast channel. This I want to show today is the 1836 Colt Paterson. This is the very first revolver that Samuel Colt invented and patented. This is a 36 caliber, and I believe it was in production till 1842 or right around there. Thank you for watching. Hi, I'm Carl, and this is the Colt Paterson. This one's made by Uberti. 36 caliber, 5-shot. Let's load her up and see how she does. Okay, with this you have to take the barrel off to load it, and it comes with a special tool to load it. And what I thought was kind of interesting too is this is also a nipple wrench, and it takes these 4-prong type nipples that you have to have this to take off. So I thought that was interesting. And I'm loading it with just 15 grains of GoX Triple FG black powder. This will be my first time loading this and shooting this. Let's see how this okay, that's one. That's two. Three. Four. Five. These are all seated good. Oh yeah, this doesn't have a cutout to cap it. You have to cap it off the revolver. A little oily there. I have a capper, but the capper I have doesn't fit this. I tried it before we came out here to see if it would work. Hopefully that fit kind of tight. Okay, let's see if this works. If not, maybe they're number 11 caps. I don't know. There we go. Oh, this has a pop-out trigger too. It comes out when you cock it. So let's see how she shoots. That's one didn't go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see if the second round of caps here. Okay, now they're seated. And that is the Colt Paterson. From what I understand, it's the first revolver that Sam Colt actually patented and made and sold in the United States. This one's by Uberti. Thank you.